lovely. Today we're going to show you how to make your Christmas veg. Brussels sprout and broccoli. So first of all, I'm going to pop in some Brussels sprout. But first of all, I want to simply say to you, it's the best to make an eggs in the top of them to make them cook a little bit better. And that's what I did with this one. Alright? So first of all, you need the water to start boil up like this. And then next, let's pop a little bit of olive oil. Or vegetable oil inside of it. And leave that for another 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So as soon as you see the water start to boil up like this, things looking good, alright? Then next, pop your broccoli in. Christmas veg on the table, guys. Let that boil for another 5 more minutes, and that's it. Looking lovely and nice. Yes, boiling up, and that's exactly what we're talking about. You know what I mean? You see? Look at that. Exactly. Cook better. You learn something new today. Fresh and nice. Yeah? That's the way we cook broccoli. Turn off your stove, pour off the water, and that's it. Enjoy the recipe and please leave your comments below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.